What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. This time we're looking at some cases that you may like for your brand new AirPods Pro. Let's check them out. So you picked up a pair of new AirPods Pro and now you need a way to protect these. You got this super white glossy case right here, and it's really easy to get scratched up. So I got a few cases here that I'm gonna try on just to show you how they look and basically how they feel and if they're worth it or not. Each case on the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way around, got these from, these two came from a separate company, these two came from a separate company, this came from a company all on its own. I'm gonna link all these companies down below so you can check them out. Got all of them on Amazon. All of them are under 15 bucks. I think I paid 12 bucks for each and every one of them. So first off, let's get started with one of my favorite. This one actually looks like the Nintendo Switch. So all you do, slide it down in, and these are made of a silicone material. So it's super stretchy, bouncy, and there we go. Once you get it on, that's exactly what it's gonna look like. You have a clip that comes with it. You can hook it onto your belt. You still have access to your wireless charging down here, and you still have access to your button on the back. You do have openings back here in the back. So these cases are capable of the wireless charge. I got my charger right here. I just want you to watch the actual light. Lets you know that we are charging. It is good to go. So this one is capable of the wireless charge. Take it off, the light goes off. So Nintendo Switch case cover for your AirPods Pro. I'm gonna drop that link below so you can check it out. Now this case is probably one of my second favorite just because it's the mushroom from Super Mario. Drop your AirPods in once again, top goes on, and there you go. You get the mushroom. Now, still get a slit back here in the back. There is no button on this one though, but you still have access to the charger down bottom, and wireless charging capable on this one is a go. So for all of my Disney fans out there, this is a his and hers set, Mickey and Minnie. You get the case and you get these little holders on the side. Both of these come with their respective holders. Now this does not open up or anything. It's just something to look at, I think. It doesn't open anywhere. Nice piece of rubber. It's just for style points. Now for ladies out there, you're gonna like your Minnie. You're gonna strap it in, lock it in tight, and there you go. You get the nice Minnie, you get this on the side, and you actually can put the hook in there if you want to. You still have access down bottom to the charger, and on the back, you have a nice big gap there, and you still got access to that button. Wireless charge is capable. Same thing with Mickey. We'll take this out, pop that in, pop the top on, and there you go. Now this can hook in there. We want to make sure we have our wireless charge, and it is a go. No problems with that. Down bottom, you can still plug in that charger right there, and you still get that nice gap in the back. And last but not least, just a plain old white AirPods case. It comes with the picture of the AirPods on the front. You just, once again, drop that down in there. Now this one comes attached. The top is attached. So this one is the most secure because those tops tend to want to come off sometimes, especially the Minnie and Mickey ones. They will snap off. The tops fit pretty snugly on the Mario mushroom as well as the Nintendo Switch, but this one you don't have to worry about that top flopping around, and you get a nice hook to go on the side. You got protection down here for your charging port, as well as the back has a little bit of protection, a little bit more protection than those across the top. Right there, wireless charge is a go. So you still get wireless charge, and you can see through there. You got your green light. So pretty nice cases. Like I said, you can pick up any of these cases for under 15 bucks. I think I paid 12 for all of them. But nice cases that you can pick up. Something that you can just basically have fun with. Novelty cases. They do protect. They're nice, rubberized. They bounce. They're going to protect those edges. They're going to protect your device from getting scratched up. So like I said, I will drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.